Welcome to Straw. Ever wonder why asthma makes breathing so tough? Let's explore. Imagine an allergic trigger binding to IgE on mast cells, sparking an instant reaction. Histamine and leukotrienes flood airways, causing bronchoconstriction, narrowing air passages with muscle spasms, edema, and sticky mucus within minutes. This is the early phase. Then, cytokines summon eosinophils and Th2 cells in the late phase, cementing inflammation and damaging delicate airway linings. Over time, chronic asthma triggers airway remodeling with muscle hypertrophy and hyperplasia, plus mucus gland expansion and fibrosis, thickening the airway wall permanently. Compare this to normal bronchi to grasp the root of persistent symptoms and hyperresponsiveness. Understanding this cascade helps target better treatments. Looking forward to connect with you.